everything what I taught, I just acted on straight away, concentrating on the structure of my company. Started doing spreadsheets, which obviously I needed a lot of help with because it's not something I'd ever done. Purchasing leads and selling boilers straight away. If you stick to the blueprint of what they teach you, everything comes into place quite quickly. And within 3 months, obviously, my business had completely changed for the better. So looking back at my first year at Trade Mastermind, I used to earn around 120 a year. As of today, I was made us £500,000 in gross a year in sales. So it's a massive difference. We only fit our own boilers, we don't need a sub in. We just fit boilers only and service our own boilers. So we've got a nice structure to our company. We've got like vision statements and processes. I have staff. So yeah, we've got all that structure and it actually looks like a business rather than just being me and a van. I'm not on the tools anymore. I'm basically in the background, delegating, making sure that everyone else who's doing the job can actually do their job and I can concentrate on doing mine and what's best for the company. I work a lot less hours, so I have the luxury of actually enjoying my children a bit more. I actually take them to school in the morning. So I have somebody who does operations for me in the morning so I don't have to take any calls and stuff, so I get a bit of free time to spend with the kids. Yeah, I spend normal hours, working hours now. Growth for the business, at the minute we're doing roughly in the mid-20s boilers a month. I'd like that to be 30, 35 in the next year. Definitely recommend Trade Mastermind. Everything obviously I've learned on my journey, the blueprint they give you, it's just made for success.